All right. Sand, Leaf, or Coral Reef, a book about animal habitats. Habitat adaptations. Animals live almost everywhere, from the hottest desert to the coldest mountain. How do animals handle these different habitats? They adapt to their surroundings. Some animals have protective fur that keeps them warm. Others have big noses to reach far away food. Some animals even look like a part of their home. Discover how these animals live in so many different habitats. River otter. Sunlight sparkles on the water. The river otter splashes after a fish. The otter is an expert fisherman. Its strong tail and webbed toes help it swim through the quick river currents. The animal's waterproof coat keeps the otter warm and dry. The otter's tail is flat, wide, and long. Just like a built-in paddle, it helps the otter swim down the river. Clownfish. The bright coral reef bustles with life. A clownfish pokes its head out of the anemone to watch. Plenty of predators would like to eat the clownfish. To be safe, the tiny fish stays near the stinging tentacles of the anemone. Slimy mucus covers the clownfish, which keeps it from getting stung. If the clownfish leaves the anemone, it must quickly touch it again and again. When it returns, after a while, the fish is safe from the stings. This is called building back immunity. Alligator. The air is warm and wet in the marshy swamp. An alligator lurks in the muddy water. The alligator's nostrils, ears, and eyes are on top of its head. This lets the animal hide partially under the water. The big reptile is still able to breathe and see approaching prey or predators. Alligators have special skin flaps for diving into the swamp. These flaps close over the animal's nostrils, ears, and throat so water doesn't get in. Snowy owl. Snow covers the cold Arctic tundra. The snowy owl flies over the snow and ice looking for food. White feathers help the owl sneak up on prey. Their disguise also hides the bird from hungry predators. The snow owl blends in with its snowy surroundings. Female snowy owls have black markings which help them blend in with their nests. Males are completely white to blend in with the snow. Mountain goat. Moss and grass grow along the snow line of the mountain. The mountain goat grazes on the steep slope. Life on the mountainside can be dangerous and cold. The mountain goat stays warm with its shaggy coat. Its small, rough hooves let the animal quickly climb a wall of rock to escape any predators. A mountain goat's hooves have rubber-like pads around the edges. These keep the animal from slipping on the mountainside. Moose. Patches of sunlight fall on the forest floor. The mighty moose munches on a twig. The moose is made for forest life. Its wide hooves and long legs help it walk through deep snow or deep water. And the moose's big mouth can grab large bites of tough food. A moose has very flexible lips and a broad muzzle. These features help the animal strip leaves from small branches in the forest. giant anteater. A termite mound hides in the tall, dry grass of the savanna. A giant anteater finds it. Catching food in the savanna is no problem for the giant anteater. Its front feet have powerful claws that rip into a termite mound. The creature's long, sticky tongue sweeps around in the mound, gobbling up plenty of bugs. A giant anteater also has a large, bushy tail. When the animal sleeps, it covers itself with his furry blanket. A taco toucan. Hot, sticky air fills the tropical rainforest. The toucan lands on a fruit tree. Ripe fruit hangs on tiny twigs, but the toucan is too big to perch on those fragile branches. Thanks to its long, bright bill, the bird can easily reach dinner on another branch. A taco toucan's bill can grow to be longer than a new pencil. Camel. Wind blows across the dry desert. The camel walks slowly over hot, hot sand. The camel is well suited for desert life. Long eyelashes protect its eyes from the blowing sand. Wide, furry feet keep this camel from sinking into the sand. A large hump stores fat. When food and water aren't available, the camel lives off of the fat. Camels help people survive desert life too. The animals provide milk, hair, and transportation. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this book. And now it's time to create a Venn diagram.